Hello guys, welcome back. Good morning. Time is 3:30 a.m. and we are leaving from Bangalore now. We are going to GANALU Falls. It's on actually Kanakpura road, but we are taking Mysore road. So it's around 103 kilometers from Koramangala. So let's begin. There are other, I think, 5 people who will be joining. Chalo. Yes, good morning again. So we left at 3:30 and that's why I couldn't record till now. I mean, GoPro is not really that good at night. I mean, in the dark. Now we are at Channapatna Mysore road, and here we have to take left. Here we have to take left. From Channapatna, it's around 45 kilometers. There is one place, Halaguru. So it's near Halaguru. Well, GoPro is giving me trouble sometimes. The audio will not record sometimes. ಸೊ ಇದೇ ಹಲಗೂರು. ಈ ಹಲಗೂರು ಹತ್ತಿರದಲ್ಲೇ ಇರೋದು. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಹಲಗೂರಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಇದೆ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್. ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸೀನ್, ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್. U-turn here. Okay, so Halaguru. Okay, oh, Muttati. Okay, Muttati Devasthana, Chikka Elchegere, Dodda Elchegere, Badralli. Okay, Muttati temple. Nice. I have been to Muttati once. So it's the same route, Muttati and GANALU Falls. Both are on the same way. Bit of off-road from here. the heck? Bit of raining. क्या हुआ?
See, when off-road comes, you should go for content because Manoj also is there.
Oh, there are so many. Yeah, the K11 vehicles which we saw. It actually looks dry even in this monsoon. So for namesake it's a waterfall, and if you can see there, I'll go near later. It's a very small waterfall. I mean, even during this monsoon, even in the month of September, it is not completely flowing. I mean, there is no water. If you can see here, there is a bit of water there, just like a pond. And if you see here, right there, there is a small waterfall. So we'll go down and we'll see